Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon with MarineMax here at Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. As you enter the boat into the helm area, you have a large seat for the driver and the passenger. You also have a large digital dash, two 9-inch Simrad screens. To port, you have a large head. Plenty of room in there. Lockable glove box, forward seating, plenty of room up front, cup holders, speakers, grab rails. Looking aft, you can see the helm seats. Further aft, you see the stadium seating. To starboard aft, you have a refrigerator, cooler, in-floor storage. Further aft, you have a remote for the stereo, a very large sun pad, plenty of cup holders. You also have a very large swim deck with a submersible platform. That is your 280 Sea Ray SLX. Brad, Lake Norman, MarineMax.